Hi there, students. Jiggery-Pokery. Jiggery-Pokery. Okay, this is another one of these rhyming compounds. These words, these rhyming pairs that go together. So, Jiggery-Pokery is something dishonest is going on. That somebody is trying to trick somebody. That this isn't completely above board. So I managed to fill in the online form using a bit of Jiggery-Pokery because I couldn't get it to accept the answers that I wanted to give. The accountant was accused of embezzlement, taking the company's money, because clearly there had been some jiggery-pokery in the accounts. So dishonest behaviour, deceitful behaviour, trickery. The salesman used jiggery-pokery to sell his product. Underhanded manipulation, trickery, artifice, some skullduggery, maybe some subterfuge as well. Notice this phrase jiggery-pokery, this is very British. I don't think the Americans use this. But jiggery-pokery, dishonest dealings, deceitful behaviour. There is always some sort of jiggery-pokery going on when it comes to politics and politicians. Secret dishonest behaviour, skullduggery, trickery. They're trying to pull the wool over somebody's eyes. Somebody's on the fiddle. Yeah? This is not in good faith. This is in bad faith. So there was some jiggery-pokery with the client's bill, and unfortunately he noticed and started to complain. There's been so much jiggery-pokery in this matter that it's impossible to know what the real truth is. Jiggery-pokery by presidents and prime ministers is the height of public dishonesty. They won't come clean with their figures because there's clearly some jiggery-pokery going on. All that jiggery-pokery that they're up to makes me sick. This is not clean. This is clearly dirty, and they've been up to some jiggery-pokery. Let's see. I don't want there to be any jiggery-pokery in this matter. So manipulation, misrepresentation, things that are dishonest, some skullduggery or trickery. Okay, so jiggery-pokery. This is informal British English. I think I would give it maybe a 4 in formality. Using an informal conversation, using a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing maybe just, but certainly no more. And as to origin, it comes from Scottish. There's a Jiggery-Pokery, talking about trickery and deceit in Scottish. It's been used in English since the 19th century. Okay, so jiggery-pokery, trickery, manipulation, not dishonesty. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Jiggery-Pokery.